nutsack. Oh, nutsack. Oh, nutsack.
Hey guys, welcome back to 3BR Off-Road. Today, 4-link day.
Yeah, buddy.
So, AJ and Jimmy already got the front tab stacked on. Heim joints, bungs all in place. Now they're working on a interesting solution for up top. So they mocked up a bracket on there just to hold the heim joint. Use one of the other axle brackets. Let's see where that separation is gonna fall.
It's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be like right there. Now we just gotta go to the other side. Get this fake tab welded on. It's windy. And then when you start placing the axle,
It's getting ready to stone.
get a link for the upper 4-link bar, and get the axle placed, get that length, and then we can start figuring out what we're gonna do for the lower, how long it's gonna be, and everything else like that.
Then we can figure out what kind of tab we're gonna put there. Something. We're gonna do one big one, right? Kind of, or we're gonna do just separate.
I don't know, because I mean that's gonna be from here to here. We might just do like a double
Double hump
like
thingy.
yeah, like a dog bone or something. Dog bone probably wouldn't look too bad.
No.
But this is why you save your bush latte boxes. Like regular cardboard sucks to do templates.
Yeah, that nice thin stuff.
Bush
Not
latte
that corrugated crap.
Alright, cool. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna knock this off real quick. We're gonna throw the level across there, take a few measurements, and then get this one tacked up on the other side. So it's just a little off.
Shouldn't be a little off.
A little off. So the best
It's a little off, just like AJ.
that bar on the nose and back here, just slightly longer.
Why would you do that?
I'm no genius. Just a hobbyist.
He said it, not me. Don't judge.
Nice.
I forgot I had this monopod. It makes it so much easier.
I did 33 1/4.
So we don't have to watch your shaky videos anymore?
Shut up. You want to get fired?
That line doesn't go straight up, it goes vertically across, right?
I don't know. You built it.
I did.
Oh, on this side?
So the center of this is the center of the line, and the line goes horizontally across.
Don't worry. He's a rocket doctor. You know, there's gonna be some people that comment and they're gonna look at that and go, "Really? That's the tabs you guys are putting on there?"
I'm sure there will be.
I know there's gonna be comments, 100%.
Hold it up to that tab. So just like that.
Oh, Milwaukee.
Well, that's upside down, so it's like blah.
You missed the M at the end, but okay.
Give me the welding link.
Woo! Nutsack. Oh, nutsack. Oh, nutsack.
Oh, it's still on my nutsack.
I'm glad I was recording.
That was a good nutsacker.
Hey, at least you already have your daughter. Did he get the third one?
I don't know which one I got. It was like, oh. Still a little warm.
There's the intro for the video. That might be the title for the video.
Here.
Ah, my nutsack!
Here to the nutsack to my gooch.
Did you sat on it?
That last one I just moved, so I'm just gonna give it another second.
That's always fun, isn't it?
I don't even know where it went in. Oh, right there.
Oh yeah, way up there. Yeah, a few singed pubes too.
Not really, but okay.
That's right, he fixed it. Looks level from here. I swear this transfer case mount looks like a little dude dancing or something. And then his the output shaft is pecker. Did I show you all that video?
Which video?
You want to see my pecker?
So yeah, that's what amuses me. But I'm a child, who cares?
You said that was the axle, or this was the center of the axle right here?
Yeah, I believe so.
The front of this? Or this line?
The line. I believe that's what we determined, isn't it?
I don't know, I think that was just me trying to get paint pen to work. Okay, so
17 and a half?
17 and a half, I
Can't
guess.
see it.
That was the bucket right there.
Yep. Piece of soapstone. So you can mark it.
This makes it, this measurement's pretty critical. Put it
Locating the axle.
7. Hold that right there. Technically, the axle needs to move forward about 3/4 of an inch, right?
Yes.
Right,
We gotta
so
split the difference because it's right now.
I'm not going to move the axle, I'm just going to measure the link bar,
Yeah, we'll add it in.
and it will push it forward.
Just gotta split the difference on that. Whatever the hell that is.
Yeah, but as the axle comes up to actual ride height,
that should be right height.
that is not ride height.
That's what we were talking about. Remember the way we set the truck down? He done got 44s.
26 or 23.
He said they were 50s, by the way. By the way, I talked to him about it tonight.
And then you say like 48 or 50, something
Yeah.
like that.
It might go up a little bit, but we ain't gonna have that much. You gotta bring them bottom tabs way down, or those top tabs down. Why'd you put them up so high? All right, so we had a mini heart attack. Here. Got the front end positioned.
And
And-
that angle is too steep.
Yeah, we were like, what'd we do wrong? That angle's way off. So, we're sitting there scratching our head. I'm like, no, we set this up where it's supposed to be, you know, the axle at ride height and everything. Why is this messed up? Well, if you look at the rear end, it's sitting on 6x6s. I can't even speak. It's sitting on 6x6s. Front end's not anymore. We took those out. So we're 6 inches off, which is fine now that we know, but it almost gave us a heart attack because that angle is way too steep. But 6 inches up, it's muy perfecto.
42 and a quarter.
So,
That's what we're going to cut our first link bar at. So the first 2 link bars should be
semi-crisis avoided just by remembering what we did wrong. Well, not even wrong, just what we did. Yeah, it's coming along. Getting there.
This is just the rough cutout.
Alright, so this is what we're looking at.
That's just the rough
Scoot
cutout.
your head a little. So let's look at it in the camera here. I don't hate it.
This is going to be a little bit different. The radius is obviously will be actually a radius, and then this right here will match that.
I think you can come in a little bit
Oh, I
tighter
can
in the
come in
center.
way
Way
tighter.
tighter.
I just wanted to rough it out.
Because honestly, I mean, it's going to be hard to tell where it actually looks good in there, but. Yeah, something like that.
That lower tabs can be fun to make
Why?
because of this bar right here. It's not going to be a full piece like this. It's going to be the back tabs are going to be 2 separate tabs.
No.
Yeah,
Why?
because you had half,
Just notch it.
and you can come all the way down here and make it terminate.
No, that's going to be ugly.
there. You'll never see it.
Yes, you will.
Whatever.
100%. You can make that work. I like where you're going with it, though. Something along those lines I think will work perfectly. Not too bad for a white boy from... I don't even know where he's from. All over the place. Arkansas, North Carolina, Bradenton. All over the place. Riveting entertainment here. I don't know either, guys. We'll check back here in a little bit.
12 seconds later.
Alright, let's find out what AJ finally came up with. I hate it. Start over. You're trash. No, I like it. I think it looks good.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Hold up.
Oh, 4-link bars are all done. AJ's putting the hind joints in now. Trying to.
Alright.
Oh. Alright. Well. And I know we didn't record any of it, but tabs for the frame are done. Just gotta glue it to it. We took the bars to my dad's house and had him face them off and put a big bevel on it so we can get a nice weld on it. Took a little clip of that and just insert that here. Didn't video too much, but yeah. So let's get that welded up and we can get these bars in there and see what it's gonna look like. I know AJ's excited for it.
Yeah, I'll do my Instagram post for the week.
For the week?
I don't post that much anymore. People get upset when I do.
Alright, well, 4-link's in.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty stoked with the way it's coming out.
Oh man, you don't even know. I'm like super.
Hey, let's get a just from standing back far. Finally looking like a truck. Starting to actually look like something. I'm liking it.
Me too.
So these are the tabs we went with. The ones that AJ did in the little cardboard pieces, and then yeah, I think it looked great. It kind of flows with the truck and doesn't really take away from it. Adds to it a lot.
I'm pretty pumped about it, bro. It looks really good.
I'm liking it a lot. So what's next? Shock hoops.
Now next we need to square the axles underneath it.
Well, yeah, there's that, but
And then we need to plumb bob it, square the axles up underneath it, and then we'll put some shocks in it, and see where they're gonna land.
it takes all the fun out of it. I just want to get shock hoops and get shocks in it. Got to do all the important crap first.
I do everything ass backwards from everybody else.
No, that's the proper way to do it. I just wanted to jump ahead to the cool stuff. But, you know, that's just me, getting a little impatient. Hell yeah. Well, I think that's going to be it for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, say bye. Say bye to everyone.
Just a couple dumb rednecks bending some tube and gluing it together. Peace.
Alright, so I know I'm going to get shit because I said there's a big surprise for my bike in next week's episode, which was this episode.
I'll show you.
And I didn't, we didn't work on my bike in this episode, so I guess I still have to do a little bit of a reveal. But we're not going to show everything. Just one of the boxes. Let's. Hold on.
Are you ready? Are the people ready?
I don't know if they're ready.
People, are you ready?
I got a bunch of boxes for my truck. That's cool. Yep. Big surprise. So, sorry that I teased that one a little bit and you guys didn't get much, but we didn't work on my side-by-side this week. So, we'll do the big reveal next week. So,
Maybe we can do both of our big reveals next week.
oh yeah, Asia's got a big upgrade too.
I got no upgrade.
It's an upgrade.
Yeah.
It's technically an upgrade. I don't know. We're teasing too much here. I already said bye in the video. Whatever. You'll see in next week's video. We got some cool shit coming for both bikes. So, till next time, guys. Peace.